Hi everyone. So welcome to the another video of Jenkins tutorial. So in this video, we'll see how to change the Jenkins port. So after installation of the Jenkins by default, when you install the war file, so you can change the configuration of the port number, right? So when you give like a Jenkins.var, you can start the port number, whatever the command that you have, whatever the argument that you pass in the terminal, it will start on the particular port. So if you install the MSI file, right? So Jenkins installer file. So how do we change? So by default, it will be 88, right? So we have to, if at all, if you're running some other server on the 8080s, and you cannot use the Jenkins, right? So for those reasons, so if you want to change your Jenkins port, right? So how do we change? So we'll see that today in this video. Okay, so by default, now we can see this is Jenkins running on my 8080 port, right? So if I change to anything, it will not work. So how do we change this one? So after installing the Jenkins, so you can go to this your C drive. In the C drive, in the program files, you can go to this Jenkins file. So here you can see the Jenkins XML document, right? So when you open this one, and here you can see all the configuration about the Jenkins, right? So when you scroll down in the argument, you can see it here. So the http port, it is by default it is 8080, right? So you have to change this one. Okay, so for let's see, I will change it to 1990. Okay, and I have to save this document. Okay, after saving this document, what you have to do? So if you come simply here, if you instead of 8080, if you put a 9090, it will not work. Okay, so now you can see it will not work. Okay, it will try to reach, but it cannot reach. The site cannot be reached. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to open the services. Okay, either you can restart your machine, that will also work fine. But without restart your system, you can go to the servicer, and here you have to find the Jenkins. Okay, so this is a Jenkins. I will restart this one. Okay, so now the Jenkins is restarted. So I will simply click on this reload button. Now you can see the Jenkins will, the Jenkins server will start automatically on the 9090 port. Okay, wait, it will take some time. Okay, so now here you can see. So the Jenkins is started, right? So please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work, right? So now we can see it is running on the 9090, right? So once the setup is ready, then we can log in and we can start working on the Jenkins. So now my Jenkins is running on 9090. Okay, so this is how we change the port number. Make sure you are going to this particular file location and changing your XML file to the particular port number. Whatever the port that you want to run. After that, you have to restart the Jenkins services. Okay, once that is done, simply come and refresh the screen. It will automatically start your the new port. Okay, so in our new port is 9090. So the Jenkins is started now. Okay, so we have to wait. For some time, it has to set up all the things in the 9090 port. Okay, once this is done, then you are good to work with the new port. Okay, so this is how we have to change our Jenkins port from default 8080 to whatever the port that you want. Okay, so that's all about this video. Simply you can go to this file and you can change the port number whatever you want. Thank you guys.